Welcome to the NTE 35W TEXpress lanes. This video will show you how to enter the NTE 35W TEXpress lanes northbound on I-35W as you approach downtown. As you head north on I-35W towards downtown Fort Worth, make your way over to the left when it's safe to do so. You will see a white pricing sign with several toll rates. The first line shows the HOV2 Plus rate for carpool drivers with passengers or motorcyclists who have activated their 50% weekday rush hour discount through the free Drive On TEXpress app. The second line shows the pricing for vehicles with valid toll tags. If you don't have a toll tag, rates will be higher. For more info on regional HOV policies, visit nctcog.org. After passing under the pricing sign, keep to the left and enter the ramp for the NTE 35W TEXpress lanes. We hope you have a safe and enjoyable trip on the TEXpress lanes.